Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a velvet nebula bloom pattern using Python. So firstly let us import the required library. So here import numpy as np. This imports the numpy library using the alias np. Numpy is used for efficient numerical calculation and generating arrays of data points, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is a module which is used to plot the graphs and visualize the data. And here from MPL toolkits, this module allows creating 3D plots using matplotlib. So now we'll generate the data for spiral. So here np.linspace start, stop and number. This generates 400 evenly spaced values from 0 to 4 pi, and theta represents the angle in radians for a circular or spiral motion. So this variable will be used to define the x and y coordinates using the sine and cosine function. So this generates 400 points from -2 to +2 representing the z-axis height, and this makes the spiral extend vertically from -2 to +2 units. And now we'll create r means spiral radius. So this creates a varying radius using the formula r is equals to z square plus 1. So here at the center z is equals to 0, the radius, and 1. As z increases or decreases, the radius expands because increases, and this makes the spiral bloom outward resembling a nebula. Now we'll calculate x and y coordinates. So here x is equals to r into sine theta and y is equals to r into cos theta. These are parametric equation that defines the position of a point in a circular pattern, and sine and cos determine the coordinates on the xy plane. Here r controls how far the points are from the origin, forming a widening spiral. And now we'll create the plot. So here plt.figure, this creates a figure with a size of 12 into 8 inches for better visualization, and figure.add subplot. This adds a 3D subplot to the figure, and here 111 means 1 row 1 column, and this is the first subplot, and projection is equals to 3D. This enables the 3D plotting. And now we'll apply a color gradient. So here this generates an array of values from 0 to 1 and map colors. And here len x ensures there is one color for each point, and these values will be used to create a smooth gradient using a color map. So this creates a 3D scatter plot where each point is represented as a small dot in 3D space, and its parameter x, y and z coordinates for each point, where c is equals to colors, the color values for each point gradient, and c map is plasma, which uses the plasma color map giving a vibrant velvet glow, and s is equals to 10. This sets the size of the points to 10 pixels. And now we'll add axes and labels and add the title to the plot. So here ax.set x label, y label and z label set the labels for the respective axis, and ax.set title set the plot title, and plt.show at last displays the plot and renders to display in the window. You can rotate, zoom and explore the plot using the interactive Matplotlib interface. And now we can see a velvet nebula bloom pattern. So these are the 3D shapes and 3D patterns created using Matplotlib library. So thanks for watching this video.